here today, but thanks to be here and thanks to NFT.NYC and so forth. Looking forward to the big conference in the fall, and it's great connecting here on Clubhouse with a really interesting and knowledgeable panel as well as so many engaged participants. So yeah, so I'm Todd Miller. I'm a vice president in their business development and partnerships at ChromaWay. Folks who may not be familiar, we're a blockchain project. We have our own blockchain. It's called Chromia. Our main headquarters is in Stockholm, in Sweden, where it's actually quite warm there today. Also, we're quite involved in the NFT space. We published or sort of initiated a very successful game in partnership with Binance, within the last 5 or 6 months called My Neighbor Alice. We'll talk more about that, hopefully, as the session begins. But, very much looking forward to the panel today.
And how does a brand decide to use your blockchain over others? Why would they do that?
Yeah, that's a good question. Being on the business development side and partnership side, that's a question that we discuss a lot. And I mean, I think to some degree, the success we had with incorporating NFTs into the game and the vision we had with regard to developing a full-fledged game and incorporating NFTs into that game, and also DeFi protocols into that game around staking and so forth. I think we're able to present, a vision and a capability to be able to bring a product to market. I think I think it was announced today, in fact, that we just formed a partnership with Stadio Plus. Folks who maybe here in the U.S. are watching the NBA playoffs. One of the founders of Stadio Plus is Luis Scola, who played in the NBA, is an Argentinian player, and he's quite involved. Launched this company, and we're going to be working with him as an investor and as a platform provider around sports, collectibles, art, music, and other NFTs. And I think we were able to tell a good story with regard to our success, and also, more importantly, sort of the vision we have around an expanded vision around NFTs. So
that's interesting. I'm going to come back and ask you in a moment, technically, how is your blockchain different and whether it's ERC 721 compatible. But I'm going to go to Andrea.